Today, we're going to show you how to optimize your iPhone performance and speed. We got some great tips and tricks to make your iPhone run smoother and faster. So let's get started. Tips number 1. Update your iOS. First thing first, always keep your iOS up to date. New updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Here's how to check for update. Open the setting apps, then you can tap on General, then you can tap on Software Update. Make sure Automatic Update is on. You can tap on this. If there's an update available, you can follow the prompts to install it. Tips number 2. Clear storage space. Next, let's clear up some storage space. A cluttered iPhone can slow down your performance. You can try this step. Open Setting and you can tap on General and then you can select iPhone Storage. On there, you can review the recommendation and tap Show All. To see more options, you can tap on the app icon here. For example, TikTok. From this, there are two options. You can offload unused apps, or maybe you can delete large attachments and review large files to free up space. Tips number 3. Disable background app refresh. Background app refresh can use resources and slow down your iPhone. Here's how to disable it. Open Setting and tap General and then tap Background App Refresh. And you can choose off or you can select individual apps to disable background app refresh for specific apps only. Tips number 4. Optimize battery setting. A healthy battery can improve performance. To optimize battery setting, follow this step. You open the setting and then you can tap on battery. After that, you should enable low power mode when needed to save battery life. You can also review battery health to check your battery maximum capacity and peak performance capability. Tips number 5. Reduce motion and animation. Reducing motion and animation can make your iPhone feel snappier. Here's how. Open Setting and select Accessibility. And then you can tap on Motion. Enable Reduce Motion and prefer crossfade transition to reduce animation. Tips number 6. Clear Safari cache. Clearing your Safari cache can help improve browsing speed. You can follow this step. Open Setting and you can scroll down to Safari. Select that and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Tips number 7. Reset network setting. Resetting your network setting can improve connectivity and speed. Keep in mind, this will erase saved Wi-Fi password. Here's how to reset your network setting. Open Setting and you can tap on General. Scroll down until you find Reset, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then you can tap on Reset. Then you can tap on Reset Network Setting here. And you can enter your passcode to confirm. Tips number 8. Disable automatic app downloads. Automatic app downloads can use resources and slow down your iPhone. Here's how to disable them. Open Setting and tap on App Store. Then toggle off apps download under the automatic download section. You can turn it off. Now your apps will only update when you choose to do so manually. Tips number 9. Turn off location services for unnecessary apps. Location services can consume battery life and resources. Here's how to turn them off for unnecessary apps. Open Setting and select Privacy. You can tap on Location Services. Go through the list of apps and change the location setting for each app to never or while using as needed. Tips number 10. Keep your apps up to date. Keeping your apps up to date ensure that you're using the latest, most optimized version. To update your apps, you can follow this step. You can open the App Store on your phone and then we wait for it, it's still loading. After that, you can tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. You can scroll down to see available update for your application that already installed on your iPhone. And you can see the update button next to each app and you can update it by tap on this, or you can tap update all to update all of your app at once. Tips number 11. Restart your iPhone regularly. Restarting your iPhone can help clear out temporary file and improve performance. Make it a habit to restart your iPhone every few weeks or when it feels sluggish. Here's how to restart your iPhone. You can press and hold the side button and either volume button, volume up or volume down, it's up to you, until the slide to power off slider appears on your screen. Then you can drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, then you can press and hold the side button to turn your iPhone back on. Wait it until the Apple symbol or Apple logo appear on your screen. Then your iPhone will turn on again. And there you have it. With these tips, you will optimize your iPhone performance and speed. Make it run smoother and faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorial. Leave a comment down below if you have any question or suggestion for future topics. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!